game called Scuba Diving at Quill Lake. This is going to be a useful one though. So if any of you played this, you'll know that, well, you probably know that if you talk to that guy right there, wait, no, let's go. One of the guy on the shore of the beach, he'll give you a map to find the legendary guitar. So what you have to do is you have to get this thing from the item shop, and you gotta go to the coordinates on the map. He'll give you this map. Oh wait, no, that's you can't see that yet. That's from the this guitar. It's near the pirate ship, and these are the coordinates. And you need a geolocator, and for some reason I can't find them. I'm just gonna back up till I get to 621. 621. There we go. It should be like around here somewhere. Oh, by the way, I recommend having an oxygen tank for this. You'll pass this big spike, and then you'll start to see this pole from the pirate ship that was on the picture. And then, so it said there was the X on the cave, right? So I've already got this, but there's a note in here. You gotta get this note. And then, well, yeah, so this is what it says. It says, I've finally claimed it, ha ha ha. If you really want it, maybe we can make a deal. Come meet me in the pirate area, just outside the entrance of the pirate cove. But also, you need the pirate disguise for this to work. You need so you better save up your coins. I don't even know what this does. Oh yeah, it's for Coco. It's like the Coco event. I don't know what it does, but let me get back to my boat. Okay, come on. And after that, after you get the pirate disguise, change into it, and you'll see this little ice part, and that's underneath it is a pirate's cove, I think. Anyways, so like it's around here. Oh god, I need to refill my oxygen tank. Wait a second. Isn't? Oh dang it. The volcanic depths. Never mind. Okay, I've never been there, so I didn't know that was there. Let me just swim back up. Somewhere around there, I think. Let me get back in my boat. I gotta go farther, I think. I'm gonna stay like about here is good, I think, anyways. Oh yeah, you'll find the giant spike again. Wait, oh, this is a different one. Never mind. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I have no clue where I am. Just saying. But, all you really need to know is, oh yeah, here we go. Okay. Oh god. Okay, there's the Pirate's Cove. I gotta get back up to the surface really quick. I gotta refill my oxygen tank. Dang it. Sorry guys. Slight delay. Do I even have enough to refill this thing? Oh yeah, I do. Okay, good. Thank you very much. Sorry for the slight delay, but anyways, so okay, yeah, it's like around here, I think. But yeah, here we go. What biome are we in? I've never actually been here. What biome? Deep lake? Okay, whatever. Well, that's cool. Is that like a plane or something? Oh dang. I think it's this way. Oh yeah, here it starts with the like ice. And then you find the ghost ship. And there's, oh by the way, if you go in here without the disguise, it won't work because you'll just take a bunch of damage. I haven't explored this yet. I just, yeah, this is, I just found this out. So once you get the note, once you open it, you have to open it. You gotta talk to this guy, and he'll ask you for the quest. He'll think he'll ask you. Um, he'll say, I haven't seen you around here. What are you looking for? And you'll say the guitar, the legendary gold guitar, and he was like, oh, that really old thing. Here, and I'm like, yeah, and you say, yeah, I'm pretty sure. So then he asks, I can give it to you for free, of course. So you gotta go in that mine. Like he opens the door and you gotta find this guy right here. But for some reason, I don't know why, but I didn't have to find him. Like I was just talking to this guy, and before he even opened the door, he just popped up right here. So I was confused, but I was like, whatever. That's all you have to do. And once you find him, you gotta go back and talk to him, and he'll pop up right there. And then you got the guitar. Hooray! Okay, yeah. But anyways, that's this tutorial video. But anyways, guys, I don't know what's left to say. So peace, peoples.